Playfulness is in the very nature of creation and the creator. If you are in tune with that, you are naturally playful. To be playful does not mean you will not do anything worthwhile. In fact, you can only do worthwhile things if you're playful, because in your seriousness, you will freeze yourself in many ways. If you have a serious approach to everything, you will not be able to see all sides of a given situation of life or what happens within you. Only if you're playful, you can look at the same thing from different positions and enjoy the process, at the same time be capable of functioning at your highest. Well, when you say play, immediately people think, oh, you're not going to do anything worthwhile. Please tell me, why is it if 22 people play football or a cricket game, why 3 billion, 4 billion people are sitting up and watching? Because of the intensity of involvement. The effectiveness of what we do in this world is essentially determined by the intensity of our involvement. It is only an intensely involved state does your genius unfold. Will you be able to see everything the way it is and do the most sensible activity that you can do with your life. To be playful does not mean that you neglect, because when you're playful or when you're in a play, you cannot neglect anything, you have to be super attentive. So, playfulness, bring this into your life, bring this into your relationships. Somehow, at least at home, if you're not a great sports person, you're not going to go and play a game outside, at least throw a ball, a little tennis ball with your children, with your spouse, with your parents. Well, if you can't find a ball, at least throw a potato at each other, catch it, throw it around, do something. In the very way you walk, in the very way you breathe, in the very way you function in the world, you can be playful. Playfulness does not mean a prescribed activity, it is a certain way of doing everything. May your life be playful, and may you know the wonder of playfulness and the joy of exploring life in a non-serious way, because you and me are here just for a little bit of time. Countless number of generations have come and gone. This is our time. If we want to do our best, if we want to do our best without getting into conflicts with each other, it's important we are playful.